What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can spend your Revolut points or your Rev points. So let's get started. So to see the ways that you can use your Rev points on Revolut, you can go to the Rev points tab in the bottom right corner. Once you're on the Rev points tab, to see how you can use your Rev points, you will need to tap on redeem right here. So here you will be able to view every single way on how you can redeem your Rev points. So you can redeem your Rev points for airline miles or flights, but you would need to be in a loyalty program of that specific airline company for them to transfer you your Rev point airline miles to your loyalty program account. The second way that you can spend your Rev points is with Revolut Pay. So if we click on Revolut Pay, here you will be able to find some additional info about using your Revolut points for in-store discounts. So Revolut essentially has a partnership with some selected stores, and in those stores you can use your Revolut points to secure a discount for your purchase. And of course this can be used both online and in-store physically. So the third way that you can spend your Revolut points is on stays. So this applies when you book a hotel or an Airbnb through Revolut. So let's say that I want to view the options that I have in Lisbon, Portugal. Now here, once you selected your date or the night that you want to stay, Revolut will give you some options or Revolut partners which you can use to book a stay in this specific area. And as you can see, they give you a pretty hefty discount. And you're also rewarded some Rev points if you book a stay through Revolut. Now the fourth option is eSIM. So you can purchase an eSIM through Revolut. And if you scroll down on the eSIM page, you will be able to see how much discount you can get with your current Revolut points. So with my points so far, I can get a €1.50 discount for this 1 GB eSIM, which is €4 in total. You can also change this by region. So let's say that I want to buy an eSIM for Europe or any other continent, as you can see right here. Or you can even buy a global eSIM, which will cover all these 108 countries that they support. So this mostly applies if you're traveling a lot. But now let's move on to the fifth option on how you can spend your Revolut points. So the fifth one are experiences. Now on the experiences tab, Revolut will pull your location data and then import all the experiences that are available in your specific location currently. So this can be transportation, such as car tours, cruises, attractions, or some other experiences that are on your specific locations, like museums and so on. And the last way that you can redeem your Rev points or spend your Rev points is through donations. So you can support the causes that you wish through Revolut. And here are some options on the donations tab. So they have a pretty solid selection. And you can even suggest a charity right here. But essentially, those are all the ways that you can spend your Revolut points on the Revolut app. If you would like to know how you can sell your Rev points for cash, you can watch this video right here. Thank you for watching.